Welcome to the My Channel Global Car, where we bring you the latest updates from the automotive world. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our detailed car reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Innova, a model that continues to redefine what a modern family MPV should be. The Innova has always been a trusted name across Asian and global markets, known for its reliability, comfort, and versatility. But in 2025, Toyota has taken things to a whole new level, blending premium design, advanced features, and powerful efficiency. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Innova is its bold new design. The exterior is sharper, sportier, and more aerodynamic, giving it a dynamic road presence. Sleek LED headlamps, a wider grille, and a sculpted body make it look far more modern compared to its predecessor. The new design not only adds style but also improves overall efficiency on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more premium than ever. The 2025 Innova offers spacious 3-row seating, with improved legroom and flexible configurations to meet family and travel needs. High-quality upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and soft-touch materials give it a near-luxury feel. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, supported by a crisp sound system for an enjoyable ride. When it comes to performance, Toyota has equipped the Innova with a hybrid powertrain option, combining a fuel-efficient petrol engine with an electric motor. This means lower emissions, better mileage, and a smoother driving experience. For those who prefer traditional engines, Toyota continues to offer reliable petrol and diesel options in select markets.